Pretty soon. I'm gonna put you right like that. Yeah, you don't do that because they can't see if you do that. Okay? All right, here we go. Okay? Fair enough. Okay, this is another thing that I really love. Zinc lozenges.
Yeah.
Why do you like those?
I only like the kids' vitamins.
Oh, you like the kids' vitamins?
These are, wait, what kind?
This is zinc lozenge.
Oh, I like those.
They're okay. You chew
Yeah,
those
but
up.
the other ones I don't like.
Yeah.
The other ones, the other bottle of that I don't.
Yeah. But the zinc lozenge is okay. You chew it up. It's okay. Not as good as the kids' vitamin by Seeking Health, though. You like that best. Okay.
Yeah, because it has sugar.
That's sugar. You're right. Okay. This is the trace minerals that we like. It is
Can I put it?
electrolytes. I should say trace minerals makes these electrolytes. The other type that we like is the orange.
Yeah.
But this is lemon lime. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I love lemon.
Excellent. And this, like I said, this liposomal vitamin C, this is like gold. It has to be refrigerated once it's opened, but this really helps ward off illnesses. Sure can.
What? Yeah, if you keep it out when it opened, it will probably ruin it.
Right.
It would ruin it.
That's right. It would ruin it. So don't do that. And
No.
this,
It's cortical.
do you like that one?
Yeah, it's not. I like the one like this better.
I know.
I just so kind of chew it.
Yeah, this one helps you a lot when you start to get sick. And everybody, when they get sick, it presents in different ways, right? So if you get like especially runny eyes or a lot of nose running and things like that, this cold calm, if you start it right from the very beginning, this is a homeopathic remedy made by boron, and it works really well. So I hope those things help you stay healthy this winter. Bye.
Bye.